Planet Internet. We are going out to the University of Redlands for Bubba's Admit Day. Check out the facilities. The next couple of hours will be spent in Redlands. I guess this is a question for the parents of students about to go into college. It's a very small niche that I'm asking, but when you go to these admitting things and you log into these classes and walk around, do they constantly nag you to leave because it's boring? I mean, I'm not going to confess that it's boring AF, but seriously, my son has been wanting to leave since we got here. The reason I ask is we are here at the University of Redlands, and from the scenes that I've been showing you, we've been doing the seminars and walking through and listening to those people, and holy cow, man, there's two places in my life that I really have a hard time sitting. Church and school. That was held in a church and it was about a school. I was just like, please kill me now. But I have to do it right. Now, I don't want to give my son the impression that I'm not interested. I am interested. It's just this shit's boring, regardless of how interested I am. It's just boring. Good news is my nephew he plays baseball here for Redlands. So we're gonna go catch a little bit of his game after some Chipotle. I gotta say, this campus is really nice. It's ridiculously gorgeous. The facility is beautiful.
Just do it.
Why don't you keep complaining? Let me video the entire time you're complaining about this thing.
I'm not complaining.
Big party
about
over there.
anything.
Big party over there. Be happy. Big party over there. A bird just shit on my hand.
Oh, that happens all the time.
That happens to you all the time?
Football.
The college life. Bubba's looking around going, man, there's a lot of stuff going on here. I go, yeah, it's gonna be like this all the time. Kind of jealous that he's gonna get to live like this, but I could live through him, right? So some of you might know I have a tattoo machine, or a gun, as the tattoo artist would hate me to say. But I've self-inflicted several tattoo artworks on my body for my son, since he's turning 18 in like 14 days. Yeah, wants me to give him his first tattoo this weekend. And I said, if your mother says okay, I'll do it. Mom's not gonna say okay. And hell hath no fury. Another proud papa moment. Putting on my little sticker. And I'm sure my wife's gonna be totally pissed, but I got a little one too. I should be pissed at putting that on her car, because now anytime I take out her car, it's like, oh, that's mom's. What a pussy. Okay, hope you don't mind. I put a little sticker on your car too. A little bit right here.
I don't even want that car.
You don't even want this car? Okay, guys. A BMW X5 is now for sale on the market. Take it or leave it. Even Bubba's excited about all of our stickers. He's taking January out to show her his sticker that he put in his car.